Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Fireflies AI login issues, calendar and bot errors step by step clearly. If you are experiencing login issues with Fireflies AI, follow these steps to troubleshoot the problem. Start by checking your internet connection. Ensure that you are connected to a stable network. If using Wi-Fi, try switching to a wired connection if possible. Next, clear your browser's cache and cookies. Open your browser settings and locate the privacy or history section. Select the option to clear browsing data, ensuring you include cache and cookies. After clearing the cache, restart your browser. Now, attempt to log into Fireflies AI again. If you are still facing issues, try using a different browser. Sometimes browser compatibility can affect your login. Alternatively, try accessing Fireflies AI through an incognito or private browsing window. If the problem persists, reset your password. Visit the Fireflies AI login page and click on Forgot Password. Follow the prompts to reset your password and then attempt to log in again. Ensure that you are entering the correct email associated with your account. If you have enabled two-factor authentication, verify that you are entering the correct code. Check your spam or junk email folder for any verification or password reset emails. If you are encountering calendar sync errors, navigate to the settings page in Fireflies AI. Verify that your calendar permissions are properly set. Make sure that Fireflies AI has access to your calendar service. If the permissions are in order, try disconnecting and then reconnecting your calendar. This process often resolves sync errors with calendar integrations. For bot-related issues, ensure that you have the latest version of the Fireflies AI app installed. Check for updates in your App Store and install if applicable. If the bot is still not responding, try restarting the app. Sometimes, a simple restart can resolve minor glitches. If you continue to experience issues, reach out to Fireflies AI support for further assistance. Provide them with a detailed description of your issue and any troubleshooting steps you have already taken. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.